The team has the room all set up. You want to see inside? Come on, let me show you. So as you can see, this room is not a huge auditorium. This isn't for thousands of people. This isn't a lecture hall. This is a small, intimate group of people just like yourself who want to empower themselves. They want to take their trading to the next level. They want to be more successful in the markets. And that's exactly what this event is designed for. We're going to teach you strategies, techniques from instructors and professional traders, and they're going to share with you what they've done to get to that next level, and we're going to get you to that next level as well. In 3 days, we are going to totally transform how you approach the markets, how you think about the markets, and you're going to leave here so much more confident, so much more competent, and it's just going to be an amazing feeling. We've seen it happen at every one of our live events that we do. And you know what? I saved you a seat right here. It's going to be fun, and you're going to be surrounded by people in this room that have the same goal as you. They want to be more financially free. They want to have less stress. They want to have more clarity. They want to have the freedom of time and money so they can enjoy life and spend more time with their friends and their family. And I know that you feel the same way, right? Thank you so much, and we'll see you soon.